walk around here. So these are the 3 bolts replaced, or actually reused. Top and bottom get a washer. These right here that we just put on last are a bumper support bracket. We've got a bolt there. We've got a bolt here. And those 3 as well. And then we have these side ones that bolt also into the frame. This one over here as well. And those might be a little rough getting on because those holes get filled up with dirt, rust, and anything else. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mark about where these bad boys are touching center on the bumper on each side. And I'm going to cut a little hole and then I'll slowly elongate them until the bumper smoothly slides on to get the tightest fit so we don't have a huge gap. You have a balance. This isn't too dire to get perfect, just because it's going to be hidden by the balance, but then you got to cut your balance pretty perfect. I'll probably be a little careless with these just because I have the balance. So, cut my holes out. I got, let's see, pretty close on these. This one maybe a little bit better. I need to clean them up a little bit. But sorry, it's dark in this corner. Yeah, so there's those nice little mounts. Well, almost clip back in. Gonna put some bolts in, and then we'll cut the balance. I probably hadn't mentioned yet, I'm not doing the winch yet until I get the winch, because I don't want to cut a huge hole and then it not fit. So that's why that's not getting done tonight. Of course, I'll make another video for that. Yeah, so let's cut the balance. Alright guys, so here it is with the toe mounts installed. One thing I do advise is measure twice, count once. That's common sense. I will be getting a new balance, cleaning those up. Otherwise, I'm super happy. It was super easy. Let's see, maybe spent, I don't know, 45 minutes installing it. I'm sure it'd been longer if I put the winch in. As soon as I get that, I'll go ahead and add that into the mix. Let you guys see how that's done. Cool. Thanks for watching.